Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to change Reels to posts on Instagram, step by step. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Next, scroll through your feed and find the reel that you want to edit. Step 4. Now, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the reel. Step 5. From the options that pop up, select Edit. Step 6. To change the cover of your reel, tap on Cover. Here, you can either pick a new cover image from the video or upload a custom one from your camera roll. Step 7. If you want to tag people, tap Tag People. You can then add the people you want to tag in the reel. Step 8. Next, if you want to tag products, tap Tag Products. Select the products you'd like to tag and add them. Step 9. To add a location, tap Add Location and either select or search for the location you want to tag. Step 10. For captions, tap Advanced Settings. Here you can toggle captions on or off depending on your preference. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.